guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you some individual photos of what I like to cook and how easy it can be instead of having to slave away at the gym. I do recommend exercise and eating well, but if you don't want to exercise and you feel like it's just defeating the purpose at the moment for you, here are some easy ways to cook. And you might enjoy this and you may not, but basically it is possible, and let's go ahead and get started. So as you can tell, we are keto and we are plant-based. When I was 13, I was a vegetarian for about a year and I loved it. It was a little hard to keep up with. I was the only vegetarian in my family, and it's just kind of funny because right now I'm not necessarily a vegetarian. I do eat a little bit of meat and stuff, so I will go ahead and tell you that. Even though you are seeing a ton of veggies, I do eat meat. Now, there are some things I don't suggest, like I don't believe in frying a lot of your foods. I recently made okra and I roasted it in our oven, so you can have that crispy type of taste without it being extra unhealthy. So, you can do stir fries, you can do squash, you can do all kinds of different variations, and I'm still learning myself. Even stir fries are good. I get a lot of requests for cooking videos, and I have a ton of them, so definitely check those out. Not all of those are necessarily healthy, but I have a lot of desserts, cool stuff for kids, just a lot of very inventive type of recipes that if you just want to whip up something that's in your pantry and create something new, you can definitely refer to those. But yeah, as you can tell, we're incorporating a lot of asparagus, tomatoes, different types of cheese and sauces, and it's a very flavorful way of packing in the veggies and keeping it keto and relatively healthy. So yeah, definitely try this. These are just some ideas and pictures, but yeah, hopefully I'll have some cooking videos soon. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Definitely subscribe, and if you're new, leave a comment down below and like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.